You wanna see something crazy?
Utter transformation.
Okay, and now that that's out of the way, we're gonna talk about Christmas.
Everyone loves Christmas, right?
I mean, who could ever be a Scrooge? I know I could.
Wait, what? Bethany's a Scrooge? Who could ever hate Christmas?
I know I could.
Why?
Because it's wrong to completely condemn something without looking at the positives of it, I think I'm gonna give you a list of pros and cons. Pro! It's one of the most generous times of the year. People in America are giving way more to charity this time of year than any other time of year. Con, we claim it as a Christian holiday. I should probably elaborate on why that's a con. I think it's a con because we don't treat it like it's a sacred thing as much as we should. If we're gonna claim it as a Christian holiday and really act like this is Jesus' birthday, even though a lot of people think that he was actually born in the springtime because of the little sheeps in the field. Anyway, I think it's borderline sacrilegious to claim it as a Christian holiday. Let me elaborate a little bit further. I have no problem with Halloween. It totally is a consumeristic holiday. I have no problem with it. I love Halloween because it gets people to unplug and spend time with each other and go out and play dress up. For goodness sakes, people get to go out and play dress up in public view. It's a really fun time. And I don't claim it as a Satan-worshipping holiday, so it's just a fun, occasion to go hang out with people. If we took it seriously as a Satan-worshipping holiday, I wouldn't leave my house. But Christmas is really claimed as a Christian holiday. We set up nativities and we actually act like it's Jesus' birthday, but we don't really celebrate him at all. I can't remember really a single time in the past 5 years that we've even cracked open a Bible on Christmas. And it really bothers me. If we didn't claim it as Jesus' birthday and we just took it as a time of year to give people things and have fun, I don't think it would be as bad. Because, I mean, there's nothing wrong with being generous. You can have a holiday around being generous. But can you really claim a holiday as Jesus' birthday but make Jesus no part of it at all? Maybe I just hate the lies. Now don't misunderstand me, I'm definitely a Christian and I love Jesus more than anything. I mean, God is my life. He's the only thing that gives every breath in my lungs important. And that is why I don't like Christmas. Because it's something so important to me. Jesus being born, just everything about God is just so important to me that when we try to claim it as a Christian holiday but then let these other things cloud it out, it's pretty much offensive. I guess it's like showing up to a wedding in this huge, extravagant dress with in this convertible with all this noise, and just making it a show about you, but claiming that it's about the bride and the bridegroom. I really hope that made sense. Okay, pro! Christmas music! Con. Christmas music for 3 months.
Pro! The family's in town.
Con. The family's in town. Now, I love my family, don't get me wrong. I adore my family. I'm super thankful for them all the time. But whenever we get together, things get a little bit hairy. Not in a really loud, obnoxious, yelling at each other sort of way, but in a sort of superficial sort of way, if that makes any sense. Like we're all working on Christmas dinner together at the same time in the same kitchen, gritting our teeth trying to tolerate each other, rather than actually enjoying each other's company. I really hate facades. And because I want to end this conversation on a pro, giving Christmas cookies to people. I have this huge list of people I need to give Christmas cookies to, and when I say huge, I mean 4 people. And my friend's mom gave me this awesome recipe for red velvet cake cookies, and I am so excited to make those. Right, well, I guess that pretty much wraps it up. In the comments box, you should tell me what you like or don't like about Christmas, and if you run out of characters, make me a response video, because I want to hear from you, because I love you. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope your days are going fantastic, and goodbye!